Evaluation of particular integral when RHS of differential equation obtained is of the form e raised to ax. You have to obtain particular integral as 1 by f of d applied on e raised to ax, where you have to replace capital D in f of d using a. That is, wherever d appears in f of d, you have to replace it by a, where a is the coefficient of x in the expression e raised to ax. If f of a not equals 0, then you can conclude that particular integral is 1 by f of a into e raised to ax. Suppose when you give d equals a and you find that f of a is 0, or when you replace d by a and evaluate the expression, you get the denominator as 0. In that case, particular integral equals x into 1 by f dash of d into e raised to ax, where this expression of f dash of d is everywhere replaced by d equals a. This is the general form of Cauchy's homogeneous linear differential equation. Notice that coefficients are involving powers of x, that is, coefficients are not constants. In order to transform this equation to differential equation having constant coefficients, we will make use of the substitution x equals e raised to t. When you impose this substitution in equation 1, we have x dy by dx replaced by d by x square d square y by dx square replaced by d into d minus 1 into y. X cube d cube y by dx cube is replaced by d into d minus 1 into d minus 2 into y, and so on. This is the general form by which you can replace x raised to n into d raised to n y by dx raised to n. Let us consider a few examples. If you are given differential equation x square d square y by dx square plus x dy by dx minus 9y equals 0, in order to transform this to a differential equation with constant coefficient, you have, when x equals e raised to t is imposed, x square d square y by dx square can be replaced by d into d minus 1. X dy by dx becomes d. 9 is written as it is. This is the operator which applies on y. Here, after simplification, we get d square minus 9 into y equals 0. Notice that this Cauchy's equation has been transformed to differential equation with constant coefficient. Similarly, if this is the Cauchy's equation which we wish to solve, when you impose the substitution x equals e raised to t, you have x cube d cube y by dx cube rewritten as d into d minus 1 into d minus 2. X square d square y by dx square will be replaced by d into d minus 1. X dy by dx will be replaced by d. This on simplification becomes d cube. Notice that this is differential equation with constant coefficient.